Looking for a reliable and feature-rich forex broker to take your trading to the next level? In this video, we're taking a closer look at BlackBull Markets, a globally recognized broker known for its powerful trading platforms, lightning-fast execution, and wide range of market instruments. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. BlackBull Markets is a globally recognized online broker that was founded in 2014 in Auckland, New Zealand, built with the goal of providing an institutional trading experience for retail traders. The broker has quickly grown to serve clients in more than 180 countries. BlackBull offers access to over 2,600 tradable instruments, giving traders one of the widest selections in the industry. Known for its ultra-tight spreads starting from 0.0 pips, leverage up to 1 to 500, and lightning-fast execution speeds, BlackBull creates an environment tailored for both beginners and advanced traders alike. When it comes to platforms, traders can choose between various popular trading platforms, while also gaining access to BlackBull's own tools such as CopyTrader and Invest for social and copy trading. To add to this, the broker is regulated, with client funds securely held in segregated accounts. Altogether, BlackBull Markets positions itself as a modern, technology-driven broker that combines strong regulation, competitive pricing, and advanced platforms to support traders worldwide. The broker offers traders access to one of the broadest ranges of investments in the industry, with over 26,000 assets available to trade. Their markets cover everything from more than 70 forex pairs, including majors, minors, and exotics, to a huge selection of global equities, allowing traders to invest in some of the world's biggest companies like Apple, Tesla, and Netflix. Beyond that, BlackBull gives access to indices, commodities, precious and industrial metals, as well as cryptocurrencies, providing opportunities in both traditional and modern markets. This massive variety means traders can diversify their strategies, hedge positions, or focus on niche opportunities, all within a single trading account. BlackBull Markets operates under a dual regulation framework, combining the trust of New Zealand oversight with global reach via Seychelles. In New Zealand, the company is incorporated as BlackBull Group Limited and is registered on the Financial Services Provider Register. This registration, which requires criminal background checks and local operation, enhances transparency and ensures compliance with the country's robust anti-money laundering policies. Internationally, BlackBull Markets also operates through BlackBull Group Limited in Seychelles, which is regulated by the Seychelles Financial Services Authority. Client funds are secured through segregation from company capital and held in Tier 1 banks in New Zealand, reinforcing both safety and trust. The broker is rolling out some compelling offers designed to add real value for traders. One standout promotion lets eligible clients receive a full refund on their TradingView subscription, whether that's Essential, Plus, or Premium, simply by meeting specific trading volume requirements within a month. The trades must remain open for at least 10 minutes, and hedged positions don't count. Once verified, the subscription cost is reimbursed directly into the trader's live account, with reimbursements processed monthly. In addition, BlackBull runs a Refer a Friend program, offering rewards of up to $250 paid to both the referrer and the referred client. In order to qualify, the referred friend needs to sign up through a referral link, meet a deposit threshold, and trade forex or metal lots within a set time frame. Specifically, depositing $500 and trading 5 lots earns $100 US, while depositing $2,000 and trading 20 lots yields the full $250 for both parties, typically within 30 days. BlackBull Markets gives traders access to a powerful range of platforms designed to suit every style of trading. For those who prefer the industry classics, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 are available, offering advanced charting, customizable indicators, and support for automated trading through expert advisors. Traders looking for a sleek design and more advanced execution features can choose CTrader, which delivers depth of market access and fast, transparent order processing. BlackBull also integrates with TradingView, one of the most popular platforms for modern charting and social trading. allowing users to analyze markets with hundreds of indicators and trade directly from their charts. Beyond these, BlackBull has developed its own tools such as CopyTrader, which makes it simple to follow and copy the strategies of other traders, as well as BlackBull Invest, which opens the door to investing in thousands of global assets, including shares, exchange-traded funds, options, and bonds. Whether you prefer desktop, web, or mobile trading, BlackBull ensures full flexibility with WebTrader and mobile applications that keep you connected to the markets anytime, anywhere. Mentioned earlier, the broker's copy trading platform offers traders a seamless way to mirror the strategies of top-performing fund managers. Whether you're new to trading or looking to diversify your approach, their copy trading platform allows you to automatically replicate the trades of experienced traders in real time. The platform provides full transparency, enabling you to review each provider's trading history and performance metrics before committing. With advanced risk management tools, you can set your own parameters to control how your funds are deployed, ensuring your investments align with your risk tolerance. Joining is straightforward. Simply create a BlackBull Markets account, explore the available providers, and activate copy trading. Plus, there's no minimum deposit required, making it accessible for traders at all levels. The broker also provides a suite of trading tools designed to enhance your trading experience. Their virtual private server trading service offers free access to high-performance virtual private servers for low-latency reliable execution, ideal for automated strategies. For advanced traders, Fix API trading allows direct market access, bypassing MetaTrader for faster execution and greater customization. BlackBull also integrates with ZuluTrade, enabling clients to copy the strategies of successful traders worldwide while adjusting trades to their own risk preferences. These tools combine speed, flexibility, and social insights to support smarter trading decisions. BlackBull Markets offers 3 tailored trading account types to suit various trader profiles. The standard account is perfect for beginners, featuring no minimum deposit, spreads starting from 1.5 pips, and no commission fees. The Prime account, ideal for experienced traders, requires a minimum deposit of $2,000, offers spreads from 0.1 pips, and charges a $6 commission per lot. For high-volume traders, the institutional account requires a minimum deposit of $20,000, provides spreads from 0.0 pips, and charges a $4 commission per lot. All accounts support leverage up to 1 to 500 and offer swap-free options. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your trading, BlackBull Markets has an account type to fit your needs. The broker also offers a free demo trading account that allows you to practice trading at real market conditions without any financial risk. It provides access to their full suite of platforms, enabling you to test your strategies, familiarize yourself with the interface, and refine your trading skills. You can create a demo account directly through the secure client area, and it's available on both desktop and mobile devices. This is an excellent way to gain hands-on experience before transitioning to live trading. Creating an account with BlackBull Markets is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, submit your email address, and simply click on the Join Now button. Once you have created your account, you will be redirected to the BlackBull Secure Client area. Within your client area, you can browse trading platforms, open live or demo accounts, view copy trading, contact support, and much more. What you'll want to do next is open your preferred trading account type. Keep in mind that in order to open a live account, you will need to submit and verify your application before opening a live account, or you can simply open a demo account. The next step, after you have verified and opened your preferred trading account or opened a demo account, would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in! This is the MetaTrader 5 terminal with BlackBull Markets. At the top left of the dashboard, you have your Market Watch. Here you can browse through and switch between all of the broker's available market instruments. In the center of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. At the top of the chart, a variety of drawing tools, indicators, and chart types that you can use to customize your chart according to your preferences. If you are new to trading and are new to either the MetaTrader or any of the other brokers' platforms, BlackBull Markets provides a wide variety of helpful educational content such as platform tutorial videos to help you with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. BlackBull Markets offers a wide range of deposit and withdrawal options to suit traders globally. Deposits are free and can be made instantly using methods like Visa, MasterCard, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Neteller, Skrill, and various cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Bank transfers are also available, typically processing within 1 to 3 business days. The minimum deposit amount varies by method, starting from as low as $1 for bank transfers and $25 for cryptocurrencies. Withdrawals are processed quickly, with most methods being instantaneous. A flat fee of $5 applies to most withdrawal methods, including cards, e-wallets, and crypto. The minimum withdrawal amount is generally $10, depending on the method used. To manage your funds, you can simply log into the Secure Client area, select the My Wallet tab, and follow the straightforward steps to deposit or withdraw funds. The broker offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources designed to empower traders at all levels. Their education hub features a range of materials, including beginner-friendly guides like Learn to Trade in 10 Minutes, which introduces the basics of trading, key terms, and different asset classes. For those looking to deepen their knowledge, the Forex 101 series provides structured lessons on using demo accounts, making real-time trading decisions, and developing effective trading strategies. Additionally, BlackBull Markets offers a specialized course such as Commodities 202, focusing on the gold-silver ratio and its significance in precious metals trading, as well as Cryptocurrency 303, which delves into consensus mechanisms, mining, and staking in the crypto space. These resources are complemented by practical tools like the pip value calculator, trading session map, and trading glossary, all aimed at enhancing a trader's skills and decision-making. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, BlackBull Markets provides the tools and knowledge to support your trading journey. The broker provides traders with a wealth of timely and insightful market information. Their daily News and Views section offers expert commentary on key economic events, such as recent analysis on the Japanese yen's performance and the factors influencing gold's record highs. For a broader perspective, their research hub delivers in-depth reports on global markets, including equities, commodities, and crypto, helping traders stay informed and make data-driven decisions. Additionally, BlackBull Markets offers an economic calendar that integrates with platforms like Google, iCloud, and Outlook, ensuring you never miss significant economic events that could impact your trades. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, these resources are designed to support your trading journey with up-to-date and relevant information. BlackBull Markets has garnered multiple prestigious awards in its many years of service, underscoring its commitment to excellence in the trading industry. In 2025, the broker was honored with the Favorite Forex Trading Platform and Favorite High-Speed Trading Broker titles at the Money Hub Awards, reflecting its robust infrastructure and rapid execution capabilities. Additionally, the broker was recognized as the best-in-class for range of investments at the 2025 ForexBrokers.com Annual Awards, highlighting its extensive market offerings. The FX Empire Awards also acknowledged the broker's excellence, awarding it the Best Fast Execution Platform, Best Crypto Trading Tools, and Best Crypto CFD Spreads for 2025, further solidifying its reputation. BlackBull Markets secured the Best New Zealand Broker title at the 2025 CompareForexBrokers.com Awards. These accolades affirm the broker's dedication to providing top-tier trading services and innovative solutions to its clients. Overall, BlackBull Markets stands out as a versatile and client-focused broker offering a comprehensive suite of tools and services to cater to traders of all levels. With over 26,000 tradable instruments, including forex, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and equities, traders have access to a diverse range of markets. The broker's commitment to providing an institutional trading experience is evident through its advanced trading platforms like MetaTrader 4, 5, CTrader, as well as BlackBull's proprietary trading platforms. Regulated by the Financial Markets Authority in New Zealand, BlackBull Markets ensures a secure trading environment with client funds held in segregated accounts. Their multi-regulated status across various jurisdictions further enhances the credibility and trustworthiness. For those seeking to enhance their trading skills, the broker offers a wealth of educational resources, including tutorials, webinars, and an economic calendar, empowering traders to make informed decisions. The broker's dedication to innovation is also reflected in its integration with platforms like TradingView, CTrader, and ZuluTrade, providing traders with advanced charting tools and social trading opportunities. Recognized for its excellence, BlackBull Markets has received accolades such as the Best ECN Broker Award in 2024, underscoring its commitment to delivering top-tier trading services. The broker stands out for its fast execution, extensive product range, flexible platform lineup, and solid regulation. So if you're looking for a broker that blends institutional power with user-friendly options, BlackBull Markets might be a broker worth considering for your trading journey. And that is our overview of BlackBull Markets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.